Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing something that is more easier to earn money online. This one is very easy and pays you. So it pays it to your PayPal account. So this is PayPal I'm showing you right now because I've never uploaded anything like PayPal before. This is my first time uploading PayPal. So I know anything PayPal is legit, yeah. Anything PayPal site is legit. So this app really pays you money. Thus watching ads, watching ad videos online, Google ads. So this is one of 16. The name of the app is called one of 16 app. It pays you money just doing that. So this is the app here. When you click on this app here, can you see that already earned 0.0229? Can you see that? That's what I just earned just now in my balance. So when you download this app, it's going to show something. So you just need to double tap on it. You need to keep double tapping on it. So you have to see it on there. I need to keep tapping on it. So it's going to bring you something like this. So when you want to watch this ads to earn money, can you see I just earn 0.029? Wow. To earn that is very easy. More information about this app. So this is the information here. So to watch ads, the view price is 0.0039. Price of viewing with click is 13. Wow, but that was really small, man. So I'm gonna teach you how you can earn more times 2 of this right now. So when it show green, when it show red, the thing is not showing ads. But when it shows green, don't tap on it again because it wants to show ads. So let's go and try it and let's check it. We are going back. So when we tap on it, it show green. So the thing I want to show ads. So you have to wait for it to load and show ads. So and when it show ads, we end. So that's just it. So it show ads just now. So we have to wait for the ads to count for 13 seconds, and it's counting. This is 11 seconds. So 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds. So we are waiting. So complete now. So you just need to click on it. So when you click on this now, so can you see it? You just end it now. So you have to wait for like some minutes more for this one to count, because to go to another site, you can't go to another site. So that's just it. You just need to go back. So when you see my balance just now from 2, you enter 4. Wow. Can you see? You can just end up to $100 and you withdraw your money just today right now. So let's click on it again. So it's about to show another ads when we click on it, because it's showing green. When it's showing green line at the edge of the watch ads, that means you want to show ads. So when it's showing red, it's not showing ads. So do not forget that. So when we click on it now, you have to wait for like some minutes again. So when we come to this withdraw here, so they say PayPal and payee. Wow. And our minimum payout is $3. So imagine that is very easy. Your withdraw payout is $3. So when you just write $3 here and put your bank details here. So when you change it to PayPal, you put your bank details here and see your money. So that's just it. It's very easy. So just click on it again. It's about to blow up ads again. Can you see that? This is another ads again. Any another massive money again. That's just it about this. It's very simple. You can watch up to how many ads. The ads can never finish. Keep watching ads, doing nothing, just sleeping and waking up and earning money. People will be asking you, how do you earn this money? How do you earn your money? How do you earn your money? How do you earn your money? People very, very surprised. People want to know how you earn your money. They don't know that, yeah, you just earn your money. So you just need to press cancel. Can you see? It adds more money to me because I didn't view the website. So if I click on it again, so it show another ads again. So let's wait for it. See, it is counting 5 seconds. This is 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second. Yeah, you get there. So you just need to find more about it. So when you click here, so you are finding more about it. Can you see it's counting 12 seconds, 10 seconds under here? Can you see the time is pumping out here? So 6. See, the time is pumping out here. 2, 0. So you cannot go back. Return to the app. Can you see it? So you have to return to the app immediately. So when you return to the app, you need to press cancel. They'll tell you press cancel. Can I see? Wow, $500 now. I'm going to the next one to earn more money. That's just all about it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube video like this. Thanks for watching.